The auto altitude feature is used to set and maintain the altitude of the vehicle. Auto altitude uses a DVL to display the distance from the vehicle to the bottom. Therefore, this feature can only be used if the vehicle has a DVL. The button to activate auto altitude is located here. When activated, the icon will turn green. When deactivated, the icon will turn blue. To activate auto altitude, simply press the icon with your finger by using the touchscreen, or click the icon using the mouse cursor. When activated, you'll notice a white arrow and a white number appear. This white arrow is called the set point, and the white number is the set point's value. When auto altitude is activated, you will no longer be controlling the altitude of the vehicle manually. You will be controlling the location of the set point. The vehicle will then follow and maintain the altitude of the set point. It's important to note that the DVL must have a bottom lock. If the DVL loses bottom lock, the words "no lock" will be displayed under the depth and altitude bar, and the auto depth feature will activate until lock is regained. To achieve bottom lock, the vehicle needs to be between 0.2 meters to 75 meters from the bottom. However, this estimate may vary depending on the environment. To move the set point, rotate the pointed dial on the VideoRay hand controller downward or upward until the set point reaches the desired altitude. When the set point reaches the desired altitude, simply recenter the dial. The vehicle will then follow and maintain the altitude of the set point. To move the set point using the Xbox hand controller, move the right joystick forward or backward until the set point reaches the desired altitude. When the set point reaches the desired altitude, simply release the joystick. The vehicle will then follow and maintain the altitude of the set point. The auto altitude feature is useful when piloting close to the bottom. The vehicle's altitude will remain at the value of the set point as the bottom terrain changes.